Okay, let's do a little quickie here. This is Wednesday evening. I'm at 172 subscribers now. Still working on the 200. But what I'm wanting to do today is show you what I keep around here to take and clean with all the time. Okay, I get my chair straight. Okay, this is a bottle of bleach water. It says bleach water on it. I also keep plenty of alcohol. It's about wore off. And then I keep regular water. I also keep peroxide, hand sanitizer, and baby wipes, just in case needed. Um, then I also sanitize everything after each use and clean it up and try to put away everything as I use it so that it don't take and lay out forever. Also working on getting um, another room built on my house so I can put all my stuff in it. I won't be in this one room all the time. The reason I'm in this one room all the time is I've got a split level house and no ramps. So my wheelchair and me stay in this room, which, ain't no big deal. At least we got somewhere to stay. It's a house, roof over our head. No big deal. It's got a good sized front yard and all. But, it's a house. So I'm going to get me another room built on with a bath and everything in it so that I don't have to have people help me up and downstairs to get into the tub and out of the tub and all that crap, which is a pain in the butt. But I have my computer here where I'm talking to you right now. I've got my phone, my tablet, my laptop, things that I need when I go on trips and junk with me. My little laptop is a little Chromebook, paid 60 some dollars for it. Computer I'm working on, 120 some dollars. Not bad. You see, I get deals where I can get them. And you seen the cat that was behind me over here. Let me see if I can move around so you can see her again. See him again. Well, let's see. He leave? No, there he is. That's Sylvester. That's one of the cats. And Lucifer's on over yonder, asleep on the dog cage. That's another cat. Poppy, the dog, is laying on the bed over here asleep. The hamsters are asleep, thank goodness. They make a lot of noise at night. But if you know anybody that wants a kitten, let me know. I got 2 pregnant cats. But anyhow, I just want to do a quick video, show you the sanitizing stuff and all that good stuff, and talk to you a little bit because I haven't been on here all day, and tell you to have a safe week and weekend, and hope and pray that everything goes good for you, that y'all stay safe and sound, and yeah, wear your mask. Please wear your mask. Because don't know if that virus is gone or going to go, but you never know who might have it. So please be safe. Also, let's see. I changed color of my nails today. They're now pretty dark purple, and I just dropped my cigarette. Oh Lord, let's see if I can reach it. Yeah, it landed on my footrest. Oh, you see in the kitchen there, my granddaughter's dollhouse. She may be 14, but she still likes her dollhouses and little pet shops. But, that's kids for you. But I've got this table and table next to me, another table, and my work boxes over there and all that stuff. And supposed to be getting some more gel nail polish this week. One of my friends is cleaning her stuff out. She's decided to get rid of some of it, so She said she's going to give it to me, so I'll take it. She just lives 4 houses down from me. And I didn't even know she was into nail polish. But she is. So, that's happening this week. I have to take my granddaughter over to the school tomorrow. She gets her 8th grade diploma tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going into high school. God help me. But she's a good kid. She's in marching band and everything, so she does the best she can. And that's tomorrow, and everything like that. And hopefully things will go better this week than they went last week. So keep us in your prayers, and we'll keep you in our prayers. And we'll talk to you again soon. Bye, y'all.